Audio Jungle.
Hey there, welcome to the Moneymaker channel. And on this channel, I share practical tips and strategies to help you earn passive income and achieve financial freedom. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of publishing your ebook on Amazon KDP and show you how to start selling it right away. Ever wondered how you can become an author and make money while you sleep? Well, I'm here to show you just how simple it can be to publish your ebook and start earning passive income with Amazon KDP. Let's dive in. Why choose Amazon KDP? Kindle Direct Publishing is one of the most popular platforms for self-publishing authors. It's completely free to use, and what makes it even better is that it offers global distribution, meaning your book can reach millions of readers worldwide. KDP is incredibly user-friendly, so even if you're a first-time author, you can easily upload your manuscript and start selling in no time. Plus, you get to keep full control over your book's pricing, royalties, and rights, making it a powerful tool for anyone looking to publish and sell their work online. One of the biggest benefits of using Amazon KDP is the high royalties you can earn, up to 70% on each sale. You also have full control over your book's pricing and royalties, so you can adjust them whenever you like. The best part, there are no upfront costs involved, meaning you can start publishing your ebook without any initial investment. And with Amazon's global reach, your book has the potential to be seen by millions of readers around the world, giving you an incredible opportunity to grow your audience and boost your sales. Prepare your ebook publishing. Your ebook is to prepare it for Kindle. First, make sure your manuscript is properly formatted. Tools like Scrivener or Microsoft Word are great for formatting, but if you're new to this, you can even use Canva for creating the layout and design. For the best result, make sure the text is properly structured with consistent headings, paragraphs, and page breaks. Next, let's talk about the cover. It's crucial to have a professional, eye-catching design because it's the first thing readers will see. You can use Amazon's free cover creator, or if you want something unique, consider hiring a designer. Lastly, don't skip the proofreading. A polished, error-free book shows your readers that you care about the quality of your work, and it'll help you build a loyal audience. Sign up for KDP, Amazon KDP if you haven't already. It's a quick and simple process. Just go to the KDP website and click on the Sign Up button. If you already have an Amazon account, you can use that to log in. If not, you'll need to create a new Amazon account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your KDP dashboard where you can start setting up your book. I'll briefly walk you through how to fill in your personal information, tax details, and payment preferences, so you're ready to publish your ebook and start making sales. When signing up for Amazon KDP, it's important to have your tax information and bank account details ready. Amazon requires this information to process your payments and ensure you're compliant with tax laws. You'll be asked to fill out a tax interview to determine your tax status and provide your bank account information so that you can receive royalties from book sales. Don't worry, the process is straightforward, and once everything's set up, you'll be able to receive payments directly to your account whenever you make a sale. Upload your ebook to KDP. Now that your account is set up, let's move on to uploading your ebook. Head over to your KDP dashboard and click on Create New Title, then select Kindle ebook as your format. You'll need to upload your manuscript file, and KDP accepts several formats like .docs, .mobi, and even .epub. Once your manuscript is uploaded, you'll need to fill in important book details, including your title, author name, and a compelling book description. These are crucial for visibility because they help readers find your book when they search on Amazon. Don't forget to add relevant keywords to improve your book's searchability. Lastly, you'll select the right categories for your book. This helps Amazon recommend your book to readers in the right genre, which can significantly increase your chances of sales. Set the pricing and royalties. When it comes to pricing your ebook on Amazon KDP, you can set your price anywhere from $0.99 to $9.99 to qualify for the best royalty rate of 70%. When determining your price, it's important to research what's competitive within your genre. For example, if most books in your niche are priced around $3.99, you might want to price yours similarly to stay competitive. Keep in mind that pricing too high or too low can affect how your book performs, so aim for a price that not only reflects the value of your work, but also attracts potential readers. When setting up your ebook on Amazon KDP, it's crucial to select the global territories where you want your book to be available. This option ensures that your book can reach readers worldwide, expanding your potential audience. By default, KDP offers global distribution, but you can also choose specific regions if you prefer. The more territories you select, the broader your book's reach, which can help increase sales and visibility. So make sure to choose all the relevant regions to maximize your book's exposure. Publishing your ebook. Before you hit that publish button, take one last look at all your details. Double check your book cover to make sure it looks professional and stands out. Review your book description to ensure it's compelling, and confirm your pricing is set the way you want it. Once everything looks perfect, you're ready to publish. Simply click the Publish Your Kindle ebook button, and voila! Your book will be available for sale on Amazon within 24 to 48 hours. From there, you can start promoting it and watch as your ebook reaches readers all over the world. Promote your ebook. Once your book is live on Amazon, it's time to start promoting. Amazon offers some great promotional tools like Kindle Countdown Deals, where you can offer your book at a discounted price for a limited time, and Kindle Unlimited, which lets subscribers read your book for free while you earn royalties. These tools can really help increase visibility. Beyond Amazon, don't forget to promote your ebook on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Share sneak peeks, quotes, or behind-the-scenes content to engage potential readers. You can also use your website or email list to let your audience know about your new release. And remember, reviews are essential. Encourage your readers to leave honest reviews because positive feedback helps boost your book's ranking and credibility, making it more likely to be discovered by new readers. To wrap things up, here's a quick recap of the key steps to publishing your ebook on Amazon KDP. First, prepare your manuscript by formatting it properly and creating a great cover. Then, sign up for KDP. Upload your manuscript, set your pricing and royalties, and finally hit the publish button. Don't forget to promote your book using Amazon's tools and your own social media channels. Now that you know exactly how to get your ebook out there, it's time to take action. Start your KDP journey today and bring your book to life for readers around the world. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave any questions you have in the comments below. Good luck with your publishing journey.